Hello everybody and welcome back to another C++ programming video. And in this video, we're going to be starting chapter 9. Now the main concept that we go over in chapter 9 is about structures or structs in C++. In many other programming languages, these are also called records. Now a struct can be summarized as a collection of fixed components in which the components are accessed by name. What this means is it's kind of like a function, but for variables and arrays and data types. Heck, you can even put enumerations inside of them if you wanted to. Anyways, so I'm going to show you how you actually code in a struct. So in order to code in a struct, you first come and you write in structure, house type, and then you're going to write in whatever, and you can also see that C++ automatically includes a semicolon at the end, because you always have to include a semicolon at the end of a struct, because it's technically a single line statement. So anyways, then you write in string, style, int num of bedrooms, int num of bathrooms. These are just little example variables that we're putting in. And int num of garage, int year built, and int finished square footage. After doing that, you come down here, and then we're just going to write in double price and double tax. And then we could just leave it like that. Now we have a group of a struct that has its own variables inside that we access by accessing the struct. So the way that you call upon one of these variables is that you actually come in and you write in house type dot num of garage, and you would do something like that. Now let's say that we set the int num of garage in here to 0. Or let's actually make it equal to 2. So then we will cout and do. Now when we run the program, you can see that we just got an error. Now the reason for this is I'm not gonna actually pull up this. I'll pull up this, right? And the reason that it shows this expected primary expression before period token, that means it's expecting the primary expression before this. But this is not a primary expression, meaning you can't just access, because this structure itself isn't actually a variable of any sort. It's actually just like a variable type, meaning that if we're going to have to declare this as a variable, we're either going to have to enter and change that to type of house, and then you can write in house type of house. And you could do something like that. And now while you can actually declare structs in this like this, usually it's preferred for you to declare them up in the top. But to avoid any sort of errors, I'm just gonna have them in the bottom for now. Now if we run this program, we get 2, meaning that we are able to successfully do that. And now let's drag this and see what result. Drag this to the top, see what results we get. And we get the same answers actually. But the reason that it would be preferable for you to have it declared in here is because in here you can just do a kind of like a shortcut, and just right at the end of this struct you can write in type of house, and there you have it. That automatically declares a variable of type this, so you can actually access each one of these individually using this part. Now, the reason that structs are so useful is because it allows you to organize data, or more importantly variables, because you can already organize data using arrays, but organizing variables is a lot easier with enumerations. I mean, with structs or records. So that's the end of this example video, and I will see you in the next one. That was just the basics of declaring a struct and how you are able to call upon it inside of your code. Okay, bye.